Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Clash Royale account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Clash Royale game. Now tap on the hamburger menu. Tap on Settings option. Then select More Settings option. To delete Clash Royale account, tap on Delete My Account button. Scroll down and tap on Delete My Data option. Now select a response. Again, select a response. And then tap on Delete Account option. Your deletion request has now been processed successfully. And this is how you can delete Clash Royale account. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.